Hey again, everyone. So we are going to go ahead and get started with math for today. I am going to use the back of my sheet to go ahead and show you our number 27 and, by using 10 frames. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my 10 frames. So remember, 27 is bigger than 20, but it's smaller than 30. So I'm going to use 3 10 frames, okay? So that I have 30 squares total. Okay, so I have 10 and I have 20 and now I have 30. Okay, so there's my number of the week, so 27, and I have 10, 20, 30 10 frame. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and fill out 27 in my 30 frame. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so we know that here is one group of 10, this is a second group of 10, and this is a group of 7 ones. Okay, so we have 10, 10, and 1s. Okay, so 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and work on this sheet, and we are actually going to do it to get some of the parts together. Okay, so we see here again, this is a great example of what 27 in 3 10 frames looks like. So we have a group of 10, 10, and 7 ones. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and we're going to check out our even or odd area. Okay, so I'm going to turn my page back around and we're going to look here. Oh, my hand looks really big, sorry. Okay, so if we're working on the number 27, we know even, odd. So we're looking at the 7, okay? So we're looking at the number 7 and our double digit number. So we're looking here. And we know that even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then we also know that odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so I want you to look. So we're looking at the 7. Okay, we're looking at the 7. And where does 7 fall? Is it under even? Or is it under odd? Okay, are we looking? So 7 here. Is that a 7? Is that a 7? Is that a 7? What about that? No. Is 8 the same as 7? No. What about a 1? Nope. 3? Nope. 5? Nope. Oh, what do you know? It's there. So then we're going to go back to our sheet and we are going to circle odd. So the word odd is spelled O-D-D. Okay, so the number 27 is odd. Okay, so then we are going to go ahead and move down to one more, so plus 1. So we're going to write really small, 27 plus 1 equals. Okay, so you should have that 27 plus 1 equals. Okay, so we're going to take a different color. So you don't have to do this, you can just watch. So it's telling me that I have 27 dots. So we're gonna look at our 10 frames here. So we have 27 here, and then it wants us to add one more. So I'm gonna use my blue crayon and I'm gonna add one more dot. Okay, because that's what the plus sign means. That means give it more. So, and it's telling me how many more? 1. So I drew one more dot here. Okay, so we're gonna count to see what 27 plus 1 equals. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write 28 here. So 28 is a 2 and an 8. Okay, so 27 plus 1 equals 28. So then we're going to move on to the next side. So it says 1 less. So then we're going to write our equation. 27 take away 1 equals. So remember, when we're taking away, so that's right there, take away. It's this little symbol here. That's take away. So that means less. So that means I have 27 things in my hand, and I ask you to take one away from me. You're going to take one out of my hand. Okay, so we know that 27 plus 1 was 28, but we're going to cross that out because we don't need it anymore. And now we're only looking at the black dots. Okay, so we're only looking at the black dots. So it's telling us we have 27 black dots, and it wants us to take one away. So I'm going to cross one out. Okay, so I'm not going to count the ones that have X's in it. Okay, because we only have one here because it told us to take one away. So we're going to go ahead and count to find out how many we have left after taking one away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so 26 is the answer. So I'm going to go ahead and write in 26 there. Okay, so 21 take away, or 20, not 21, 27 take away 1 equals 26. Okay, so you should have that written down. Okay, we're going to move on to our bubbles. So we know, like we do, or like we would do in class, we always add the plus sign here in the middle. Okay, so here's our plus sign, and we want to see what two numbers add up to make 27. So we're going to go ahead and use our, we can use this one. So we already have it written here. Okay, so I have my first 10 frame is 10. My second 10 frame is also 10. So I have 10 dots here and 10 dots here. And then my third 10 frame, I only have 7. Okay, so we have to add 2 of these numbers because remember, we only have 2 spots here. We have one here and one here. So we can only have 2 numbers that equal 27. So let's go ahead. We know how to count by tens. So we're going to count 10, 20. So we're going to do 20, and then we're going to bring our 7 over. So then we are going to go ahead and put 20 plus 7. Okay? And then we can check it. So we can go ahead and check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yep, perfect. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and color in your 27 and the word 27, and you're going to trace and then write the 27s, and then you're going to trace the word 27. Okay, and then when you're all done, then you're all finished with math. And after this video, please be on the lookout for our Easter story read aloud.